Hi, welcome back. So we've got a bit of a challenging one now. We're dividing algebraic fractions that have quadratic. So let's give this a bit of a go. So feel free to pause the video and try do this and type in your answer in the comment section and then we'll work through it. Okay, let's work through it. So let's just write 4ab. We can't simplify that. However, this a squared plus a, we can simplify. We could remove out a as a factor. So we could remove a out as a factor and we're left with a plus 1. You're basically dividing that by a, which gives me a, and that by a, which gives you 1. And if you multiply this out, you would get that. Okay, we still have our divide symbol. We can't simplify that, so we're just going to put b. And this one, you've got a squared plus 2a plus 1, and think of all your multiples of 1, which are just 1, and 1 times 1 gives me 1, and if you add them together, you get your 2a, and that's how we know that they're both factors. So a squared plus 2a plus 1 could be simplified to a plus 1 squared. Okay, and in order to divide fractions, what do we need to do? We could flip the second fraction around, which would change this symbol to a times. So the first fraction remains, so we still have 4ab, a brackets a plus 1. We change that to a times and we flip the second fraction around. So you've got a plus 1 squared, I'll just write it out twice, over b. Okay, let's start cancelling. So we've got a plus 1 over here and a plus 1 over here. So we can cancel that out. And a b over here and a b over there. So we could cancel that out. And we actually have a over here, which could cancel with that a. So in the numerator, I'm just left with 4 brackets a plus 1. And on the denominator, I'm just left with over 1. So we don't even need to write that. So my answer is just 4 brackets a plus 1. So well done if you got that correct or if you were able to follow that through. It wasn't that bad, hey? It was pretty good. You're feeling good? I hope so. Thank you for watching and yeah, let me know how you went on the comment section. See you next time.